Hi friends, this is Srinivas. Now I am going to calculate next question that is in time series కాల శ్రేణులు exercise 1A question number 25. It is even number question. Okay. So here question is given, calculate the sales for 2004 for the data given below. దిగువ దత్తాంశం నుండి 2004 సంవత్సరానికి అమ్మకాలను కనుక్కోండి అని అడగడం జరిగింది. సో హియర్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఈస్ 2004 సేల్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ 2004 సేల్స్, హియర్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ YC ఈక్వల్ టు A ప్లస్ BX. సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ YC ఈక్వల్ టు A ప్లస్ BX. So here A equal to sigma y divided by n, B equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Okay. So with the help of this we are going to calculate 2004 sales. So first here calculate sigma y. Sigma y value is, it is total of y, that is 850. So here n equal to 6. So now I am calculating A value. A equal to 850 divided by 6. Here that value is 850 divided by 6. It is A equal to 141.67. Right? So here next calculate x. So here given question there is no x value. So here x equal to it is even number question. So there is no mid value. So first 3, last 3. So here take 2000 year value is minus 0.5. 1999 value is minus 1.5. 1998 value is minus 2.5. Next 2001 take plus 0.5. 2002 value is plus 1.5. 2003 value is plus 2.5. So these are the x values. Okay. Next calculate xy. How to get xy? X into y. So x into y, 125 into 2.5 minus 2.5, it is 312.5. It is minus beta. Okay. Next 130 into minus 1.5, that is 195, minus 195. Okay. Next 135 into 0.5, it is minus 67.5. Next 145 into 0.5, that is 72.5. Next 155 into 1.5, so that value is plus 232.5. So next one is 160 into 2.5, that is 400. Okay. So plus 400. So here total value is how much? That is from here to here total, it is sigma x square value, that is 130. So first add plus figures, from this deduct all these values, then we get 130. Okay. Right. Next x square. How to get x square? X into x square. So that x square value is 2.5 minus 2.5 into minus 2.5, it is plus 6.25. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, it is plus 2.25. Next minus 0.5 into minus 0.5, it is 0.25. Right? So 0.5 into 0.5 plus 0.25. Next 1.5 into 1.5, it is 2.25. Next 2.5 into 2.5, it is 6.25. So here total, from here to here total is, it is sigma x square value, that is 17.5. Okay. So let us calculate B value. So here sigma xy value is 130. So B equal to 130 divided by sigma x square value, it is 17.5, right? So 130 divided by 17.5, so that value is 7 point, B equal to 7.428. So that means it is B equal to 7.43, right? So here calculate YC equal to A plus BX. So here YC equal to A means it is 141.67 plus B equal to 7.43. Okay. So that is the YC equal to 141.67 plus 7.43. Okay. So here what they are asking? They are asking is 2004 value. So 2004 sales value. Let us see 2003 sales value is 2.5. So 2004 sales equal to, it is 3.5, right? So here x is there, right? Okay. So whether the x is there, they write 3.5. Okay. So YC equal to 141.67 plus 7.43 x. So x means here write 3.5 into 3.5. Next YC equal to 141.67, same, there is no change. So next 7.43 into 3.5. So that value is 26.005. So total of these two is 141.67 plus 26.005. So here that value is YC equal to 167.675. So here 2004 sales equal to 167.675. Okay, so this is the answer.